I'd like to introduce you to one today. Sinebe brand, model TECHAPC Argon arc welding machine for multifunctional high-frequency MOS transistors. This machine has argon arc welding or manual welding function. Argon arc welding function supports 0.8-1.6 tungsten needles. Manual welding function, support 3.2 electrode long welding. The fuselage has multiple protections. Gas delay regulation. Current regulation. It weighs only 6.8 kilograms. Front and rear plastic hemming design, beautiful appearance and anti-collision. So let's get started. Let me show you.